Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome to a new video. Stay. I'm Maria, your Spanish teacher, and today we're going to talk about why should people learn Spanish. So whether you have never considered learning Spanish and you found this video for some reason, or you're thinking of learning Spanish, or you're already doing so and you need some reassurance that it's worth it, by the end of this video, you're going to find yourself with a little more perspective of the importance of the Spanish language. Increase your social circle. Spanish is the second most widely spoken language in the world by native speakers. Most recent studies confirm that around 580 million people speak Spanish around the world. It's an official language in 21 countries. And bonus, if you're from or live in the United States, know that currently over 43 million people speak Spanish over there. And this beautiful country hosts people from all different Spanish-speaking countries, which will give you the possibility to explore so many new cultures. Think of all the interesting connections you can make by learning this beautiful language. Maybe your dearest friend is a Spanish speaker, or your future husband or wife. Improve your CV. Knowing a second language is a valuable skill to finding an employee. And since Spanish is getting so popular, it's the perfect choice. Employers will find you more attractive as you can help them with international businesses, depending on what you do, of course. But do know that big corporations and investors are turning their heads over this side of the world more and more every time. And also, knowing a second language is evidence of a great cognitive capacity, dedication, and consistency. Student exchanges or work and live in a different country. If you're currently in university, you can apply for a semester abroad in a Spanish-speaking country. Big part of the foreigners I have met throughout my life were here doing student exchanges, and it seemed very fun. They had to study a lot, but they also got to travel and party a lot. Also, if you're bored of your same old city and neighbors, why not live in your comfort zone and get immersed in a different culture? I have met people from different parts of the world that come to Colombia, learn Spanish, fall in love with the country, and end up teaching English. Even if that's not their profession in the first place. But you know, exploring new cultures and trying new things can help you discover new passions. Spanish is easy to learn. I know this doesn't sound believable, and Spanish can be a complicated language because of how rich it is. That's true. But if your mother language is English, it will not be too difficult for you to pick it up. We have words with many similarities, and the alphabet is almost the same. Plus, Spanish is a phonetic language, so the way you see the words is the way you pronounce them. Here are some words that are the exact same in English and in Spanish. Actor, actor. Agenda, agenda. Alcohol, alcohol. Chocolate, chocolate. Club, club. Collar, collar. Decisión, decision. Doctor, doctor. And these are only a few examples, but there are hundreds of words like this. Spanish can be a gateway to other languages. If you are into languages and would like to speak more than two, Spanish can expand your horizons to other languages. If you learn Spanish, it will be a lot easier for you to learn other Romance languages such as French, Italian, and Portuguese. See those amazing places? They are all located in Spanish-speaking countries. Of course, you can enjoy a trip to them without speaking Spanish, but you will find yourself struggling while doing simple things like trying to find a place or ordering food at a restaurant if you don't speak the language. Also, you would have to only talk to people that share your same or a similar culture. And what's the fun in that? If you go to a different country, wouldn't it be great to listen what their residents have to say, to know what they think? Speaking Spanish will give you a wider perspective of life. Entertainment.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. A mis rincones, lo que digan tu amiga, ya yo me enteré, se nota cuando...
Wouldn't it be cool to understand these catchy songs? When learning Spanish, you will unlock a bunch of different music, and right now, Latin American music is on fire. It would be even more exciting to watch Money Heist, La Casa de Papel, in its original language. And if you like movies and TV shows, by speaking Spanish, you will open your possibilities. Now, books. If you're a reader, you probably have heard of 100 Years of Solitude and Don Quixote, a classic. These books are available in English for sure, but it's not the same to read it in a translation than in the writer's original language. There is a lot of amazing literature in the Spanish-speaking world and entertainment in general. Learning a new language is good for your health. Learning a second language is scientifically proven to increase your brain size. It helps you develop better memory and a longer attention span. It also stimulates your creativity and improves your cognitive functions in general. You could get all these benefits from learning any language, but for all these reasons above, Spanish is a great choice. Spanish is fun. Learning Spanish as any language is hard work, but it's also very fun. If you do not believe me, stay tuned to our channel, or you can go check our online course that has different fun stories, video lessons made by me, vocabulary and study materials to practice your skills and notice how you become a better version of yourself. And that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching our work. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do let me know what you think in the comments. What's your experience with the Spanish language? And if there are any other reasons I forgot to mention. Do not forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can see all the amazing videos we're going to be posting. Hasta la próxima, chao!